The autocratic model can be directly related to the power to any one person or dictator, or you can say a boss who holds each and every right and controls all the environment of the organization. So what's happening over here is that whenever there is a unskilled labor or there is a lack of knowledge over the organizational employees, so autocratic model definitely comes into the picture. So here the basis of model is the power. Then we have managerial orientation as a authority. Every manager has a authority and should obey the boss orders. Then employee orientation is the obedience only. If they are not obeying, they may get fired or they may get punishment in some consequences as well. So employee psychological results, they are totally dependent on the boss. If boss gives any instruction, then only the work happens. While talking about the employee needs, they are only considering about the survival, like they are just fulfilling their basic needs like food, shelter and clothes. And the performance results in such kind of model is expected to be at minimum. The best example I can give for this autocratic model is the coal mine industry few decades ago. The people working over there had no independence and they need to work hard to survive. So that was the autocratic model.